we do have discussed about the reduction of VAT on liquor. I just wanted to tell you from ERTS department, one agenda was there. So the proposal was about reduction of VAT relating to different brand of liquors and wines in the entire state. So ultimately we decided to reduce the VAT from 40% to 37.5%. From 40% to 37.5% on liquor. Okay, on liquor. And then number two, I think you must be remembering in the year 2020, I think in the month of May, we raised the lifting charge from 2 rupees to 25%. So now again, that 25% is reverted back to 2 rupees as previously done prior to May 2020. So these are the decisions we taken today. And then the loss of revenue annually on this reduction will be around 12 into 7, around 85 crores. To understand one thing, right now we are living in a competitive world. When we are in a competitive world, be it the state, one state government and another state government. Right now I'm telling you, in the budget, in the last budget session of Assam, they reduced it drastically, where ultimately the price of liquor has come down drastically in Assam, and the cost of difference is not less than 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. So ultimately we are bound to reduce it, because if we don't reduce, then the turnover will be drastically reduced. So therefore, as I said to you, since we are in the field of competition, ultimately we are bound to reduce the cost, the taxes on liquor. That's what we calculated. Well, ultimately we came down to 37.5%.